If P and Q are odd integers and R is an even integer, then which of the following is true? So it is given that P is an odd integer, Q is also an odd integer, right? And R is given as an even integer. So this question is based on the properties of or the operations on even and odd integers, right? So let's just check option by option. Option number A, P square means odd square, and odd number square I know is odd plus 2 times of even. 2 times anything is already even. Even plus odd is even plus odd is odd, and odd into q cube. Q is odd already, and odd cube means odd. Odd into odd would be an odd integer. Is an even integer? No, it cannot be my answer. Option B, 2p means it becomes even. R square means even. Even plus even becomes even into q square. Q square means odd. Even into odd becomes even. It is an odd integer? No, it is an even integer. Then q raised to the power 4 becomes odd plus r cube means even. Even plus odd is even plus odd is odd. Odd into p plus 2. P is odd. Odd plus 2 is odd. Odd into odd is odd. Yes, it is an odd integer. So correct answer has to be option C. R cube. Let's just check option D also. R cube is even minus p cube. P cube is odd. Even minus odd is odd into r plus p. R is even, p is odd, and even plus odd is odd. Odd into odd must be an odd integer. So this also cannot be my answer. So correct answer to this question is option C.